Hey guys, welcome to my video. In today's video, we are gonna open July 2020 Boxycharm Premium. Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription and their base box is $25 a month. If you don't want the base box, you can select the premium box and that one is $35 a month. The one we're gonna open right now is the premium box. I'm posting this on July 15th, so if you're a premium or a luxe member, you can actually do your choice for your base box today, and you can also shop the add-ons. If you are watching this video and you are a premium or a luxe member, go make your choice selection right now if you want to. I'm not making a choice on purpose. We have a theory that making a choice makes your box worse. I haven't received my July box, but I'm gonna do it for July, August, and September. I'm not gonna choose and see if I feel like I get a better box. The total weight for my box is 2.7 pounds. Some people like to know that because their tracking tells them how much their box weighs, and sometimes that means they got the same variation that I got. My variation is variation 50. I can't believe there's 50 variations. That's so high, but I guess probably because there's so many items in a premium box. First thing first, I got a makeup bag. Also, it kind of smells plasticky. Yeah, it smells like, oof. It smells like really bad plasticky. We're gonna be a little transparent right now. It is hormone week for me this week, and that makes me nauseous easily. Also causes me to break out, so you might see some breakouts over here. Yeah, it also causes me to eat a lot of chocolate. But one thing it does is smells make me nauseous, and I think that I'm overreacting. Like, this might not actually smell that bad, but I already have a good sense of smell and it smells like pretty chemically plastic to me. It is a really pretty color. Neon is super in right now for summer. It says Boxycharm right here. You can't really see it, but you can feel it. It's like imprinted. Has a little pink and yellow tassel here and a little pink zipper. Personally, I want a makeup subscription to have makeup products in it and skincare in it more than like a tool like this. I don't know. It's one of the reasons why I didn't really like Ipsy either, is I just collected way too many little bags. Next up, I have a Byroe New York Bitter Green Essence Toner. That looks pretty. Has a little stopper. There we go. We will try it. It says, after cleansing, gently sweep bitter green essence toner over the face and neck. Using your fingertips, apply morning and night. Can be used daily. This is pricey. They say this is $95. So when I do my research and come back, we're gonna find out why it's $95. I don't know if any toner is really worth $95. We'll see. We'll see when we come back. Next, I have a Perricone MD No Makeup Lipstick. It does say it has SPF 15, and I don't see the name of my color. Are there color names? Okay, it doesn't look like there's a name to this. It doesn't look like it's a special color. How do you open it? Oh my goodness. Literally, it's kind of scary what it looks like. I'm gonna have to Google this because I don't think I'll put this on my lips if it's not supposed to look like this. It has like weird little splotches, and if that is mold, yeah, even if you look at it like this, it looks like it grew off of it. It's not like imprinted in it. It like is a little bit raised. You guys, I feel like this is the scariest thing I've ever received in a box. I just can't imagine that this is what it's supposed to look like. I don't even want to put this on my hand. We are not off to a good start. This is Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. I'm so excited for this. When I saw the spoilers and I saw this, I was hoping that I would get this one. The packaging is so pretty. Like, it just looks like it's fancy and nice. It smells like coconut sunscreen though, not like an actual coconut. It smells more like coconut sunscreen. Okay, this next item was a choice item. The one that I got is the Kenia Ontiveros Beauty Blush and Shine Kit. The packaging is really nice. It has like crocodile kind of looking packaging to it. And these are gorgeous. I can't wait. This orange one, it's like peachy, and that's everything to me. Orange blushes are life. These two would be gorgeous eyeshadows. The last item, I was really hoping I would get this item. This is the Morphe and Manny MUA Glam Palette. This palette is not expensive. Most Morphe like X whoever isn't very expensive. So this one's only $20. Also, it has my favorite thing ever, marble print all over it. And you can see this is just like a good daily palette. You do have this dark one here. Complete honesty though, I am not a huge fan of the Morphe formula. I don't think their formula is very good. Even if this is like just okay performance, $20, that's a steal. So getting it in a beauty box too, where I only paid $35, is an even bigger steal. So if you don't know how this works, I do a little show, which is what we just did. Then I go do some research, come back with a naked face, try all the products, except we are not trying that lipstick unless we find evidence that there's no way that that is mold. So I will see you guys. It's gonna be a while for me, but just a few moments for you.
A few moments later.
For the Bitter Green Essence Toner, it has 33 different greens. So it has artichoke, it has broccoli, it has matcha. So it's really packed with a lot of superfoods. This does have really high ratings. It has a 4.9 star rating and about 100 reviewers. I can't imagine spending $95 on a toner. Afterwards, my face felt very refreshed. It felt very clean. The scent to me reminds me of just like a green juice. I don't know if it feels $95 worth of great, but it feels great nonetheless. For the Morphe X Manny MUA Glam Palette, this has 12 shadows and it also has 2 highlighters. Overall, it has a 3.5 star rating with 179 reviewers. That's not good. 3.5 it's better than average, but it's not great. A lot of people were saying that the palette is a little bit boring, that the colors are a little too similar. I didn't think any of the colors were similar, but I do get the boringness. Like there's only 1 or 2 bright colored shadows. Everything else is very neutral. Personally, myself, I also don't like neutral palettes, but if you're looking for a neutral palette, I don't know why you would complain about such a thing. The highlighters are absolutely gorgeous. Like, hands down my favorite part of the palette, but there were a few shades that for me were just not the best quality. Dust Cloud, Spellbound, and Gamenta or Gaminta. I honestly don't know how to say that. Gamenta? Whatever. Those 3 swatched really poorly, and Zaya was like okay. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't the best either. The colors I ended up using on my eyes after I swatched it, I used Sophie, and then I went in with Fire Witch. Then for all over my eye, I used Scorpio, and then I put Gamenta on the outside to deepen the look, and it applied fine on the eye, but it required a little bit more work. I had to tap the color on a little bit more than I normally would with a similar type shadow. I don't necessarily love the feel of them. I kind of understand why some people were complaining. So I think for $20, it's really not that bad. It's definitely not the best palette I've ever used, but it is usable. I will continue to use it. For the Kenia Ontiveros Blush and Shine Kit, it has a 4.8 star rating with 73 reviewers, but the weird thing when I was reading the reviews, a lot of people were like, where can I buy this product? Or this looks so pretty, I can't wait to get it. So I don't know how they're reviewing it before they even have the product. That's not really how reviews are supposed to work. So I would take that high 4.8 with a grain of salt. Could have been some mischief happening there. That being said, the blush looks great. The color was easy to build up. I went in a little bit more than I normally would because I wanted to see how buildable the coverage was, and I am obsessed. The highlighters are super in your face. I normally don't wear a lot of highlighter because I have really oily skin, so I went in with a really light hand, and if you really love highlighters, you'll probably really love it. If you like a little bit more subtle highlight, you're not going to get this even if you do use a light hand. The Ciate London Everyday Vacay Setting Mist. First of all, it smells amazing. It smells like coconut, but it smells like beachy sunscreen coconut, and I love coconut scents, so perfect. It does have coconut extract, so there is definitely fresh coconut in there. And it also has niacinamide, so even though this is a setting spray, it's working as skincare. This does not have enough reviews online. It does have a lot of reviews on Boxycharm, but I hate to use reviews that are part of subscription boxes. The reason I don't like to use beauty box reviews is there's people like me who don't want lip products, or there's people that don't want eyeliners. It brings the score down, or some people want more skincare, some people want more makeup. So I don't like to use them because if you actually read the reviews, it's pretty obvious that people are just like, I really didn't want this in my box. It's not necessarily the brand. It's completely different when someone is looking for a lipstick, goes out, buys the lipstick, and then tries it and gives you a review. That's just my personal opinion, so that's why I try not to use them. For the Perricone MD No Makeup Lipstick, this actually has pretty good ratings online. It has a 4.4-star rating with 1,356 reviewers. A lot of people like that it's a light look, that it's not super pigmented. It does give you more of a natural tone. It mimics your lip color, but none of the reviews talked about that discoloration. I even looked up videos where the company sent the product directly to some influencers online, and they made videos reviewing the product, and none of those had any discoloration either. Hopefully it is discoloration and not mold. I'm going to continue to call it discoloration because that is my hope. It has like a locking cap, which I really do love that. Unfortunately, I'm not going to put that on my lips. I don't feel comfortable putting it on my lips at all. And the last item is a bag. I can't put this on my face. Well, I could, but I won't. Just know it's bright and it has a somewhat chemically plasticky smell to it. So let's talk about money because it's important. I'm also going to tell you where the product is made and whether it is cruelty free or not. For the Morphe X Mani MUA Glam palette, I already told you this is $20, and this one is made in China. And yes, Morphe is a cruelty-free brand. For the Byroe New York, and I'm probably butchering that because I have no idea how to say that, this has a $95 retail value, and I still can't get behind that. I don't think any toner would be worth $95. It's a pretty big bottle, and if it really did amazing things for my skin, I would be glad, but I would not spend another $100 on it. Definitely not. I'm glad I got it though. This product is made in Korea, and yes, they are cruelty free. For the Perricone MD No Makeup Lipstick, this is a $30 retail value. This one is cruelty free, and this one is made in the United States. For the Ciate London Everyday Vacay, this one is $22. It is a cruelty-free brand, and this one is made in Taiwan. For the Kenia Ontiveros Beauty Blush and Shine Kit, this one is $42 retail value. It is also a cruelty-free brand, and this one is also made in China. And last, and I would also say least, definitely least, is the Boxycharm bag for a retail value of $20. That makes the entire value of my box $229, and I paid $35 for the box. But what items are actually valuable to me? Which ones am I going to keep? For this palette, Blush and Shine, it's gorgeous, it's super pigmented, it's definitely going over here. I do think it is really good quality. There's no surprise here. The Perricone MD, I will not be using this. I will not be keeping this. This is going straight to the trash can, so nobody will get use of this. For the Ciate London Everyday Vacay, this was actually amazing. It felt so good and it smells so good if you love coconut. So yes, that is going over here in the keep section. For the Byroe, yes, this essence toner felt good. Would I pay the $95? Absolutely not. Like, are you kidding me? No. But I am really glad that I got it, and I am gonna use it until the bottle is gone. For the Morphe X Mani MUA Glam Palette, yes, I'm gonna keep this. It's definitely not the best quality. It's like almost a maybe for me because I definitely have these colors in a better formula. For this bag, I know that right now I'm more sensitive to scent, but I still think even if it wasn't this week, this would make me feel sick. It has such a strong chemical plastic odor to it. If you got this bag, let me know what you think about it, because number one, this is a premium box. If I got this in my base box, I might be like cool with it. It does not seem like anything of quality, in my personal opinion. I wouldn't want this in a premium box. So the fact that I got it, not really happy that I got it. I don't know if I'll re-gift it. It seems like it would probably be waterproof, so it might be good to keep a wet swimsuit in during travel. That might be the only good purpose for it. I think there's way better makeup bags. This is a pretty color and all that, but no, I'm not glad that I got this. Overall, my box value is pretty high, but I just wonder if they just threw that in there because they wanted a filler item, because I don't think that's a good reason to throw something in a box. So the total value to me is $179. That's still well above the $35 that I paid. This guy also has a little bit of a high value. He better do some great stuff for my skin, that's all I have to say. And if you want to see how he works, I will be using him. I'll try to use him over 3 weeks, probably not right away because I'm using some other stuff right now. And I will post on my Instagram story if I see anything crazy or different from this $95 product. This box is 100% cruelty free, and we do love that on this channel. What I really want to know in the comments today, the question for today is, how satisfied would you be if this came in your beauty subscription box? I feel very strongly that this should not be in a premium box, or like not included as an item, just like a bonus, and the other items are your makeup items, and this is just Boxycharm being nice to you. But they put that $20, and there's no way this is worth $20. They put that on my card. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!